Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So literally in this video we're going to be looking at how much Rumble pays per 1000 views. I make a research and I noticed that people are actually searching for this particular keyword, which is how much Rumble pay for 1000 views on their videos. So what I actually want to let you to understand is the fact that every niche is actually different, and if you do YouTube very well, you understand what I actually mean by this, and what Rumble pays for pet videos is different from what Rumble pays for politics video based on thousands of views. I'm going to show you an example of a specific video, although I try to look for a video where probably the video get like 1000 views and I'll be able to track the earnings of that video, but then I found it so difficult to get a specific video that have at least 1000 views, and so that I can be able to see the earnings on that particular video. But then I still have I was able to see another video which have less than 1000 of views, then the earnings will show in the front of it. So I think that will also give us more idea on what you should expect for 1000 views on your video on Rumble. And also you cannot use that to determine how much you'll be making on your own video, because every niche has their own CPM. You know, there is something we call CPM, so an RPM as well. So, and depends, it also depends, that's why I say it depends on the kind of video you are uploading on Rumble to make money. You can't expect how much this particular creators make on this video and you want to compare it with this kind of video. They are of different ways, and how much you're making on a finance video will be different from how much you're making on a news video. So that is exactly what I'm actually telling you. So now let's look at this specific video, which is scuba diver snakes up on sea turtle. So let's check on this specific video, and you can also see that this video already have $13.49, which the creator already earned on this specific video. So let's try to see how much views this video already have. And you can also see that this video was listed under viral trending video, so that means this video can earn more money because it's also appearing on the first page on Rumble, so it should be able to get more views and more earnings as well. So this is an example from what I'm talking about. So you can see this video already have over 4,000 views, closing to 5,000 views, and the video already earned $13.49. So if you calculate that, that is even less than $5 per 1000 views. So that's how this particular niche works. So I also have another video which I already mentioned before, and this is another one as well, which is bellied something. So let me try to click on this one so you can get more idea on how this thing actually works. So then I'll also show you another video. So this is another video, you can definitely understand what I'm trying to say now. So you can see this video, this old video already have over 5,000 views, and then you see the earnings is $5.26, and sometimes it also depends on where your viewers are actually coming from. That will also determine how much you'll be making on your video. So this is another video which has less than 1,000 of views. So you see this is 179 views, and then the total earning on this video is 0.39 cents of dollars. So it's cents. So you definitely understand what I'm trying to say. Like, different niche have their own CPM and RPM, so it's of different ways. But before you can know how much you'll be making on your video is until you pick up a niche, then you get at least 1,000 of views. Then from there you'll be able to determine how much you'll be making on your video. And if you strict to that niche, like if you're on a news niche, so your how much you'll be making will be very inconsistent. It will come in inconsistent. Different from you uploading a pet video, uploading a news video, uploading a politics video, uploading a relationship video. So the money you'll be making on each of these videos will definitely be different. So you can pick up a niche, you can get more idea on these videos which I just showed you, so you'll be able to understand how it works and what you should be expecting when you're trying to upload that kind of video. So with that, you'll be able to determine how much you'll be making per 1,000 views on Rumble. So I'm still trying to make some videos on how you can actually make money on Rumble, because I also noticed that some people find some other platform more harder than to run to make money. So but then you can also use Rumble as a site to make money on Rumble platform, and within the time you'll be able to also make money from other sources as well. So this is all I have for you in this video. If you have any question regarding this video, let me know through the comment section below, and I'll be very much happy to answer your question. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.